Here's how to work the audio enhancement system in your classroom.
Insert the power cord into the mic. Do the same for the student mic. Insert the other ends into the provided charging block. Plug it in and charge. The red light should be blinking. Next, locate the receiver in your classroom. It's near the ceiling. Use an object to press the button on the right until the light blinks. Then press and hold both of these buttons on your mic until you hear the speakers in your ceiling beep. Now you can turn on your mic by pressing and holding the power button. The green light will come on. Wear it around your neck and adjust the volume.
If this light is on, students can hear you. Testing 1, 2, 3. Students, this is your teacher speaking to you from above. To mute your mic, press the bottom button once. This light here should be blinking. Pro tip, be sure to mute when you use the restroom.
You can also plug the teacher mic into your IFP. Insert the provided cord into the green slot. Plug the other end into the audio in section of your mic. Now your IFP will play music or videos through your classroom speakers. You can sync the student mic by pressing and holding these two buttons on the front and back. Then turn it on with the switch. Students love it.
Enjoy!